Hi guys, it's Angela here again. I hope you guys are good from wherever you're watching me from. And thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be cooking ginger pepper soup. And I'm using goat head for this recipe. In here I have goat head already washed and clean, and I'm using ginger, onions, scent leaf, bell peppers to make it colorful, native Maggi, stock cube, habanero peppers, and I'm going to be adding dry chili pepper if necessary, salt, pepper soup spice. So now we're gonna start by adding sliced onions to the goat head and salt. I give it a stir and I'm going to cook it in its own juice for 10 minutes. You can see now I'm going to add more onion to it, add water and 1 stock cube. Then I'm going to put the lid on and let it cook for another 20 minutes because the goat head is tough. So that's it. Now I'm just pouring in the blended ginger, pepper and onions. Give it a stir. I'm adding the native Maggi now. Pepper soup spice, and this is going to be a very spicy soup and light soup as well. It's good for this weather, very cold here in Holland. Ooh. I'm going to let it cook for 10 minutes together. You can see my soup is just cooking really good. I give it a tasting. It's yummy. It tastes so lekker. So now I'm adding my scent leaf. I'm adding the bell peppers now. This will make it colorful. Maybe when my kids see the colors, maybe it will attract them to eat it. I'm not sure. And that is my soup. I'm going to add more pepper to it. That's dry chili pepper grounded from Nigeria, and more pepper soup spice, also from Nigeria. And I let it cook together for 5 minutes. Then my soup is ready. My rice is also boiled. We are enjoying it with white rice. You can see my soup is looking yummy. If you've not subscribed, please do so and like my page. And thank you so much for joining me. I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys. And try this in your home. It's so yummy. So yummy, and it's very good for this cold weather. And those of you sharing my videos, thank you so much. I appreciate all the comments, all the likes. I appreciate you guys. Mwah, mwah. Love you. God bless you all. Thank you so much. This food came out so yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye.